Did you ever wonder why Bhishma had to endure such a painful death even after living his life according to Dharma? There are multiple such stories in Mahabharata that often go unnoticed, but it's a complete tragic to miss these esteemed stories of Mahabharata. Therefore, come along with me as I embark this new series, The Hidden Mysteries of Mahabharata, where I can enlighten you with each stories of this legendary epic in under 5 minutes. Welcome to episode 3, The Chameleon's Curse. This story is about Bhishma, also known as Pitamaha, Gangaputra, and Devavrat, who is a major character of the epic Mahabharata. He was the supreme commander of the Kaurav forces during the Kurukshetra war of the epic. Bhishma was a very noble person living according to Dharma. He was immortal as he had a boon of choosing the time of his death. He was also the strongest warrior in Mahabharata war, even stronger than Arjun and Karan. During the war, when Arjun, standing behind Shikhandi, shoots him with a number of arrows, Bhishma falls to the ground with all the arrows serving him as a bed. When Bhishma lay on his deathbed of arrows shot by his beloved Arjun, he lay there contemplating and analyzing his karmas of present and past lives, trying to find out which karma led to such a horrible and painful result. That's when Sri Krishna came to him and he asked the reason for all this pain and suffering. Krishna enlightened him with all his previous births. In previous 75 births he was always born as prince and lived as a noble, kind person and lived according to Dharma. But in last 75th life he was a king and was once travelling someplace with his troops, when he saw a chameleon crossing their path. Bhishma then threw the chameleon out of his way, lest he would get crushed to death. The chameleon then landed in a thorny bush and was badly wounded and lay there for a long time in serious pain and horrible torment, till it finally died after suffering. Bhishma Pitamaha was reaping the fruits of this karma, although he didn't mean the chameleon any harm.